Okay, so this is the weather condition. This is the weather condition. So, ah, yes. Okay. So you are watching an insane conditions here because our area is connected and is near to mountain areas, and the mountain areas produce that thing, or you can say that like Kedarnath. So there you will always see that there will be so much water, and the ice were there to be freeze, but after some time when the sun came out, then they will melt slowly, and then it produces a really thrashing falling of water, and that makes a river. I don't know that I'm applying maths in this or not. I'm applying maths. Okay, the rain stops. No, it doesn't stop. So see you all in the next one. Bye. Okay, bye. Bye.